All right, welcome back to Tipton 4x4 shop. We got the cage here for this TJ project we're working on. This is a poison spider cage bought. We're just going to make a few changes here, add a few tubes to it, add some plates in a couple places where the customer requested, make it stronger for some of his different applications and what he's going to be doing to it. Also, some mounting points in the middle. Here's the rear plates, a 1/4-inch plate steel and a tube added in. And that's kind of what he asked for, so here we go. All right, so we're here in the Tipton 4x4 shop. We've been working on this cage, made a few modifications. As y'all remember, got all that in. We've been working on some under supports to actually tie the cage in to the frame of the vehicle. Got some of that going on back here, as well as up here where it comes in, it ties in to the frame here. Also, this Jeep has demolished an axle shaft. This is a Dana 44 rear Rubicon TJ. We got the axle shaft pulled out. However, this carrier is stuck due to pieces and demolished in here. As a last ditch effort before we break out the cutting torch, I have welded my slide hammer to the carrier bearing, and we're going to attempt to unstick this axle shaft. Yes, the other side is pulled out, it's fine. But not sure if this is gonna work or not, but that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna break something or take it loose. All right, well, we managed to get that out. It was quite catastrophic when it came out. Part of it hit the floor, I'll admit. But we got it out. As you can see, this is very, very destroyed. Kind of roll that around and you can see. That's what happens when an axle shaft breaks at the edge of the splines. And this is a aux locker. So they're very, very strong. This is the race that was over that. And I just welded my tool, slide hammer tool, directly to here. And it actually worked. I couldn't believe it. Got it out. I'm not sure what we're gonna do here. Technically, this locker is demolished. It's gonna have to be replaced, I am sad to say. However, as we hit the ground, the gears seem to be okay, seem to be savable. Looking at this other side, I can see signs where there's been some water in here. So regardless, it's gonna get a full and complete rebuild. We'll get you that when it comes. All right, we're now here at the workbench with this aux locker on this Jeep. This is an aux locker, I've already pulled it apart. Here's the outer portion where the axle broke off inside. As you can see, that is very chewed up and is gonna no longer be any good. This is the outer gear, which is on here. It actually looks like it's in really, really good shape. So we're gonna reuse that. The rest of this locker looks like it's okay. In this particular locker, this ring slides back and forth to disengage and engage the locker. This outer plate here bolts onto the outside here and is held together with the ring gear bolts under the proper torque and Loctite. We are going to order some plate parts to hopefully fix this locker, get him back on the trail, and get some other cool stuff done to him. But in the meantime, we're going to be waiting on parts. Appreciate y'all watching, and come see me again.